Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn your SQL queries and Power BI visualizations into a clean professional report that you can present to your team, boss, or even stakeholders. So step 1 is to start strong with a title and introduction. So first thing first, your report needs a title. Something like Employee Management System using SQL and Power BI, like that. Okay. Then click it off with a short intro. Fine. Explain what the report is about, like that this report combines SQL queries and Power BI to uncover employees' insights from attendance to salaries. Now you have set the stage. Now, step 2 in this, define your goals clearly. Yes. So this section is called goals. Here you are setting expectations. Write down why this report exists. For example, to understand attendance performance. Okay, to analyze the salaries and bonuses and to help team make better decision with the data. Now step 3, add key metrics and an executive summary. Okay, so this is where you highlight the big numbers and trends. Think of it as the TLDR for busy people. For example, attendance patterns. Most employees attend consistently, but there is a dip on Mondays. Okay, like this. What else? Like department workforce. The IT department has the highest number of employees, but their attendance needs work. Okay. And like salaries, like finance spend the most on bonuses, but it aligns with their high performance. And in your executive summary, wrap up it all up in a few sentences. This gives decision makers a quick overview of what's important. Okay, so here we have to basically mention the important points, which is useful for the decision makers, right? Now, step 4 is to show off your queries and visualizations. So here is the fun part. Break it down like this for each query. Give it a title like attendance on a specific date. Okay, add the SQL query you used or show a sample of the result. Then show your Power BI visualization. Okay. A line chart, bar graph, or whatever tells the story best. Do this for all your use cases, attendance, salaries, department analysis. You get the idea. Now, step 5. Step 5, to add insights and recommendations. Here it is. Okay, so in the step 5, here it is, insights and recommendation. So data is great, but what does it mean? This is where you analyze and give recommendations. For example, attendance is lowest in HR. Okay, IT has the most employees, but their salary distribution shows room for better budgeting, like this. Okay, now in the step 6, you have to wrap it up with a conclusion. So basically, end your report with a strong conclusion. Summarize what the reports revealed. Okay, like this report shows how SQL and Power BI can transform raw data into actionable insights for better decision making. And don't forget to emphasize the value. Like data visualization makes trends and patterns easier to spot so leaders can act faster. Okay. Now, at last, you have to add appendices and glossary. So finally, for that extra professional touch, throw in an appendix and also add a glossary for terms like net salary or active employees. So everything is clear for the reader basically. Okay. Here it is like this. Okay. And that's it, guys. That's how you create a killer report for your SQL and Power BI project. If you follow these steps, you will have something that's not only informative but also super polished and professional. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's your biggest challenge when creating reports. So thank you for watching this series of employee management system project. It was of 6 days series. So see you soon with my new series. Take care, guys. Bye bye.